All right, I'm looking for help as to why my Yamaha FZS Red Wave runner will not start. Everything worked fine last year when I put it away. I did have it professionally oil change done, and when I put the battery back in, I'm going to show you what happens. All right. So when I go to start the unit, press start. Green light just comes on that says unlock. Press it again. Now if you're questioning if it's the battery, I've taken the battery from my blue FZS and I've swapped the two, and the blue one does start. So it's not a battery issue. Also, one thing to note is with the key fob here, to actually lock or unlock it, when I hit the lock button, it just doesn't really do anything. You see it made the light for unlock come on. It made it blink there when I pushed it. When I push unlock, it just blinks. So it's not locked. And I'll show you exactly how the blue one works to compare. All right, now switching over to the blue FZS with the blue key fob. I'll show you how this should work. Starts right up. Just to show the difference there. All right, then with the key fob, when I hit the lock, when I hit unlock, acting totally different than the red one. So if anyone has any ideas, and again, about the batteries, I have taken the battery from this blue one I'm sitting on, put it in the red one, and the red one in the blue one. The blue one continues to start, the red one acts the same. Any ideas? I appreciate it, thanks.